Well, the third category, you've heard Tino talk quite a bit about it. Where Georgia leads, that's FinTech is the vertical that we've targeted this year for awards, starting with AccuLink. Using your debit card to pay for things safely online at places like Sears, AirTran, and Ace Hardware is AccuLink's promise. Only 4 years old, they're on a roll. They've secured $3.5 million in new funding from a Fortune 500 company, followed by 2 acquisitions this month. Their platform is enabled across 3,000 merchant websites and 11 EFT networks. Global Payments. Fortune 1000 company Global Payments, one of the most powerful players in Atlanta-based technology, serving 1 million merchant locations around the world, processing transactions, credit cards, gift cards, check guaranteeing services. After reaching dominance in large and mid-sized companies, they're now turning to small businesses with a $400 million acquisition in the last 30 days. Next, from the Where Georgia Leads category, First Data. As we heard earlier from Barry, Atlanta is the hub for global electronic payments, a market that's growing exponentially. First Data helps customers execute secure payments for banks, merchants, and customers, and with their POGO solution, enabling customers to use their cards at micro merchants. And Safe Systems. Imagine the steps that a financial institution has to take to protect its data. Safe Systems works with over 600 financial institutions, providing IT solutions, secure email, hosting, data backup, and expertise in maintaining compliance. About 20 years old, privately held Safe Systems manages over 25,000 network devices. PayMetric. Every manager and owner in this room knows that running a business is about getting paid faster. And that's where PayMetric comes in. They offer electronic payment solutions that help companies get paid faster while using their CRM system. Customers include Honeywell, Bose, Lennox, Tyco, and Kohler. An award-winning SAP partner, they've expanded their services to include a mobile platform with tight security. FleetCor, out of Norcross, helps companies that manage fleets. Not only the cash part of the business, like prepaid fuel vouchers and lodging cards, but also tracking the capacity, utilization, and movement of vehicles and drivers. Customers include BP, Chevron, Citgo, and Shell. And NCR. Don't call them National Cash Register. NCR helps its customers transform their businesses with technology that handles payments. With over 100 years' experience understanding customer behavior, NCR delivers self-service kiosks, ATMs, point-of-sale terminals, barcode scanners, and other elements that are vital to business. Those are the finalists in this category of Where Georgia Leads. The award goes to AccuLink.
Started with a couple of guys and some patents and the idea that we consumers ought to be able to use PIN debit for e-commerce. Since then, the idea has really skyrocketed through merchants in the U.S. and actually around the world. And in our case, I'm very pleased to say that we have 2 guests with us here tonight. They're with us here from India, and that is because AccuLink has partnered with the National Payments Corporation of India in order to enable the 250 million soon-to-be RuPay cards for e-commerce. And these are PIN debit cards, and these people in India will now be able to transact online. So we're thrilled to have our guests with us, thrilled to be in partnership with them, and very, very thrilled to be part of FinTech in Georgia. Thank you.